Starting your first online business can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With AI Skill Stack, you can launch and automate an email-based business without needing tech skills, writing skills, or years of experience. The system gives you a step-by-step video course that shows you how to set things up the simple way. And the real magic is in the Inbox Ignition Pack, a set of AI-powered bots that help you build your brand, identify your audience, create your voice, and even write full emails for you. That means instead of spending hours stressing about what to write, AI handles it. So your business can start running on autopilot. Your emails go out, your list grows, and your income stream builds even while you sleep. And the best part, it's backed by a money back guarantee so you can try it risk free. If you're ready to automate your first online business, click the link in my description and sign up for AI Skills Stack today.